Guys, can you just drop a message in the chat? If anyone can just drop a message quickly, and let's just see if the messages are coming through on TikTok. What's the buyers today? Hey, D-Trades, yo, one shorted, bro. I'm waiting for a 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m. setup. Leroy saying, brother. So yes, on one system, the settings are okay. The chat's working okay. And on the other, it's slowly loading up. So we'll see. Let me just put a test message in the chat. Let's see if that loads up. Hello, Kim says hello. S saying, what's your bias today? Let me tell you, 1 second. Not got a bias at the moment because I'm just following market structure. Okay, saying now the chat's connected successfully. So let's have a look. Been a bit late today. Yes, that chat's working. Sorry guys, I've been a bit late today. That's why everything's just jumble bumble. I've been rushing around doctors back and forward. GeoICT, thank you very much for following. Theodore in the house. It's happening, bro. It's happening. Let's go. Let's see if anyone's caught anything today. Damn, the markets are so choppy. So, okay, that's fine. One stream I disconnected on YouTube. The other stream's working totally fine. So, yep, we are up and running, guys, right now. TikTok is okay. YouTube is fucking okay. Right. Now, the charts only. GeoICT, what strategy do you personally find good and consistent? Bro, everyone says, like, what's your strategy? Trading Master, you need to get blocked because we're not doing signals, and that's for everyone else that's selling signals. We're not doing them. Trading Master, I'm at GeoICT. There's many strategies out there, but what works for me might not work for you. And what works for many of the people out there that upload their strategies on YouTube may not work for you. So you have to basically test one strategy, back test it, and stick to it for a short while, and then forward test it for a bit. So that can be anything. That can be from scalping, that can be intraday trading. It can be break and retest. It can be the Wyckoff theory. It can be market structure. It could be higher time frame analysis. It could be top-down analysis. So it depends. What strategy are you using at the moment, and then I can chat to you from there. GeoICT. I'm close to my second funded. Yo, well done, Theodore. Well done, man. Where's Leroy in the house? What you saying, Leroy? I'm not looking to... No, bro. It's not about copying. I'll explain my strategy to you in a moment. I'm just trying to figure out what you're doing. I'm not looking to copy. Just want to know what you're into, and I'm doing ICT. Okay, you're doing ICT. Says in the name. So you're... Oh, yeah. Inner circle trader. So you're the ICT boy, yeah? Jess Queen, thank you very much for following. And then someone just before that, thank you very much for following. So yeah, if you're doing ICT, obviously you're going to have your own styles of trading and your own strategy to the ICT concepts. But then you have SMC, and then you can put some things together. So what I did, I got a bit of a different types of styles of trading, and then I've created my own strategy because I was just not having no success following one thing. So mine is just to do with market structure. Yeah, I do the higher time frame analysis. So the 4 hour, 1 hour, the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minutes. I mark out all my points of interest, whichever way the market structure is going. Once my price taps into those areas once the price taps into those points of interest on the higher time frames, I drop down to the lower time frame and I look for my change of characters, breaker structures, and a couple more different confluences. I don't have to align every single confluence now that I know what I'm doing. I just wait for one or two things to line up with my strategy and the higher time frame on the lower time frame, and then I take my execution. Have you watched the Inner Circle Trader mentorship? Yes, I've had a look. The one I had a look at is the 2022 one. I think that was probably the best one to have a look at. Thank you very much for following. Who was that? Kaylin Douglas, thank you very much. Okay, now let me have a look at some of the messages. Sorry, GOICT. What mentorship have you done, GOICT? Mr. Gill Trader, anyone want to confirm PPI new direction? I've confirmed target. Just message me private. I will guide you. Okay, Mr. Gill Trader. Who do you want to guide here? Because everyone's trading live, so no good you trying to be nice and then I'll just block you. See, I don't like signal sellers. Keish, what up, y'all? What's up, Keish? Nice to have you back today. Kaylon Douglas, 635. Hello, Kaylon. I hope you're having a great day today. Jonah Leon, hey, how you doing? Kaylon Douglas, what are you trading on time frame? Kaylon, I'm trading the Nasdaq and I'm currently on the 1 minute time frame, but I do high time frame analysis, so I'm just trying to figure out what's happening. I only just came onto the charts literally right now, so I'm just going to take it easy. I can see the market's been very choppy, moving sideways in one direction only, not even up or down, just fucking sideways. So I want to wait until I get a nice kind of entry and then I'll take a shot. GOICT, I'm currently still grinding all 52 hours videos on the ICT membership. Tell me about it, bro. I'll give you a tip. 1 second. Theo Trandafe, did you check that guy out? GeoICT, if you really like the way ICT trading is, there is someone else that I know that does. I don't personally know her, and I hope by saying her I'm not putting you off, because she's very good at what she does. She does a ICT memberships as well, mentorship, sorry, not membership, and she's put this document up for free on her website. If you just bear with me and I'll get that loaded up for you, because at the end of the day my channel is to help people, and now that I know your ICT, this is why I asked you what are you doing. And GeoICT, how long have you been trading, and are you profitable yet, or you currently know what you're doing but you can't get profitability? Kaylon Douglas, it's not equal highs on the 1 minute time at 28906. Where are you looking? 1 second. 28906, 28906. You're looking at this area here. Just this area here. It's all on the 1 minute time frame anyway, so it's all bullshit. It's kind of like just support and resistance and choppy area, but more resistance than support. So I'm just waiting. I will help you guys. 1 second. Take it easy, guys. GeoICT and Zanity, where, bro? I want to learn ICT. it's free. 1 second. It's not gonna cost you nothing. GeoICT, I'm gonna stick to the original ICT strategy. Also, I've been trading around a year. GeoICT, I'm not bending the rules or changing anything. I'm gonna show you the original stuff, but just the best way to get something a little bit quicker. Stealthy, did you miss the drop on gold? Yeah, I wasn't trading gold. I literally just came on the charts right now. Theo Tramvide, Zanetti, automation, check TG trades, have some ICT. Yes, look, Theodore Tramvide is there helping as well. ICT strategy. Okay, listen, guys, I'm going to show you it now. If you just bear with me 1 moment. Let me just load up the website. I'm going to show you. If you go to don't go nowhere, guys, because I'm gonna show you some real. If you're into ICT, I don't really trade ICT myself, but if you're into that, then I'm gonna show you something now. If you just bear with me 1 minute, guys. I'm just trying to figure it out on the damn website. And I'll put the link up so you guys can just have a straight link to what I'm going to be looking at. But what's annoying me is I can't actually. I will find it. It'll only take me a few minutes. Bro, the last 3 days it's been mental. Stealthy K, yes it has. Do you know about the NDOG and the NWOG? They are so OP. No bro, I don't trade any of that stuff. I just straight trade just market structure, and it works totally fine for me. I don't need to know any of these short forms of anything, because on top of that I'll just confuse myself. So I just keep it stupid simple for myself. I'm trying to find you this shit. 1 second. Look at me, I'm just trying to help you guys. I can't see anything in the charts right now. That's why the markets are moving really choppy and slow. So that's the reason I'm... Okay, so that's not it. That's not it. I found it. Found it, motherfuckers. Ah, have I found it? Have I not found it? No, that's not the one. Okay, yes, I have found it. Sorry. So I'm just gonna put this up, yeah. This lady, Geo ICT, are you still with us at the moment? New day open gap plus new week open gap. I promise, learn it, won't you regret? Bro, I'm already profitable trader. I'm already doing well, so I don't need to learn no new strategies. But thank you for that. But if you are that not so hard, just wait for the medication, Theodore saying. But yeah, Kalon, if you're here, and Geo ICT, because you lot are doing ICT trading. Look, yeah, this lady does live trading every single day, and she does live trading. She has about 6,000 people watching her every single day. New York session, yeah, and she's doing really well. She follows ICT, and she does actual ICT training. So what she's done, she's not made her own videos to show people. What she's done, she's added ICT, actual ICT videos in order, but the best ones to learn, and that help you get to where you need to get to quicker, rather than you going out there and searching for all the information yourself and just being lost. So she's got all the videos and all. Thank you very much for following all the videos, and all in the right order. So look, what you learn: ICT approaches to the markets, realistic first year expectations, core principles, and then you got, look, you got part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, and she's put all the videos that you need, not everything that's on his YouTube channel, but all the best videos that you need. So what I'll do is I'll put that link up. I'll add it up into the chat now, so then you guys can use it. So I don't know if that's worked. You can copy and paste that link, guys. Kalon Douglas, how long you been profitable? Since July. Nearly 12 months now. Geo ICT, new day open gap. Okay, you've done that. Theodore, Geo ICT, not so hard, just wait for mitigation. Geo ICT, but sometimes not working. Geo ICT, I prefer ICT because he made the mentorship original for his own son. Yeah, that's fine, man. If bro, come on, man. At the end of the day, just this is what I'm trying to say to you, yeah, Geo. Just because I show you my strategy, I can give you my strategy, yeah. This is what ICT's done. He's put all his information out there. People learn it, they figure it out, what they're doing, what the markets are doing, and he's put all the information out there. But you still can't execute exactly the way they're telling you to execute, because the markets fucking confuse the shit out of you. They will never move exactly the same the way they're teaching you from their screenshots. That's why you need time and experience and forward testing on the charts. Not back testing, forward testing. Back testing's easy. You can go back and rewind, play forward, look for setup, search for forward test. Sit there in the live markets I've been forward testing the past 2 years now. It's fucking hard, man. Like, you'll get there, Gio, you'll get there. You'll 100% will get there. But you just be open-minded with your learning and training and how much time you're spending on the charts and forward testing and back testing and everything. You'll get there. And psychology. There's so much different phases to trading. It's just not one and learning. But if you're gonna stick to ICT, just stick to ICT. If you feel like you understand that, stick to that, and then yeah, you'll get there. You'll get there. But definitely follow that link what I showed you. That's all the right videos in order. Roger Faris in the building. The YouTube boys are here. Roger Faris, how you doing? The market is always right. Opinions often aren't. Yes, that's right. You're right. Like my quote. Yes, we love your quote, GeoICT. Put some more quotes on and make us profitable with them. Bro, if your strategy is successful, it's worth... Not really. That's exactly what I was... Zanity, that's exactly what I was saying to Geo. Like, I can tell you my whole strategy and I can pinpoint it out for you. This is what I do every single day. But people can't execute that same strategy exactly the same way as I'm executing it. Someone can give you the blueprint. It doesn't mean you're going to know exactly how to execute it. That's how trading is. A lot of time, I'm also learning psychology to help. Yeah, psychology. But the thing is, you can't learn psychology. You can read books on psychology. You can understand what psychology is. But you... Thank you very much for following. Luna, thank you very much for following. But what you need to do is you need to get on the charts. And when you're trading with demo money, on demo money, don't put in £1 million or £100,000 or £200,000 in your demo account. In the demo account, trade realistic. On prop firms, drawdowns about $2,000 on the futures prop firms. Just put $2,000 into a into a broker account, a demo. Trade that. See what you can do with that. That's realistic. And then slowly, once you start doing well on your demo, then you're going to start moving on to prop firms. You ain't going to put all your money into your broker at that point. You're going to move on to prop firms. You're going to do some challenges. Yeah, it's only then when you put the real money in, then you're going to start conquering your own psychology, because you're going to start making mistakes. You're going to start over trading, revenge trading, force trading, sizing up, over leveraging, and blowing accounts, and that's gonna mess with your brain mentally. And then slowly, patience. You're gonna have to learn to have patience. You're gonna have to wait for your setup to play out every single day, day in, day out. Some days your trade is not even going to come, and when it doesn't come, that's gonna fuck with your psychology, because on that day you still think you want to make money, and you're going to trade in the markets. You're going to just force a trade and oversize just to make that little bit of money and to get that dopamine hit, and it's just all a head fuck until it all clicks. And then when the penny drops, man, you got it, and then you're gonna go from your losing streak, which has been like that, and then you're gonna go to like just winning a little bit, losing a little bit, winning a little bit, losing a little bit. Then the penny drops. Then when you get bored of trading and you stop like putting so much money into it, and you start taking it easy a little bit, and then your psychology's in check and everything's okay, and you understand it, boom. The curve is not like that. The curve is pretty much like that. So it'll just go like that. And then, because once you've got it, how can you keep getting it wrong? You get it? Once you've got it, you fucking got it. Once you've got it, it's with you forever. Roger Faris, what is the name of the if? I'm not sure what you mean, bro. Thank you very much for following. I mean human psychology, just for general life and understanding things more. Yeah, man, trust me, you got books. Look, can you see my book collection down there? I got a lot of books on psychology. I tell you a good book, The Best Loser Wins by Tom Hugard. The Best Loser Wins, a wicked book. Make sure you get that, read about it. Thank you very much, Mrs. Elevate. Thank you very much for following. GeoICT, you saying facts right now. Bro, it's true, man. It's true, because I don't like to like gold, Jack Trader. We don't do signals here, bro. I'm sorry. You're going to get blocked. Daphne at 7 days green, and I'm on my second red day, and it's really making me question if I can do this. You can do it. You can do it. The 7 days that you were green, you have to make sure that you were happy with your trades. Is no point like force trading and getting a green day for that day, and then that trade wasn't 100% A plus setup, and you just forced the trade and you got a green day that day. You need to make sure every single day that you get a green day, you've actually entered accurately with your game plan. And then when you have losing days, then you have to figure out why you lost, and why did that trade go against you. Because if it's an A plus setup and that trade went against you, that's a good thing, because you followed your game plan and you knew that was A plus setup, and the markets ain't always going to respect your A plus setup. The markets can do whatever they want. But when your win rate is high, so just say you got a win rate six wins out of 10, so you got 4 losers, 6 wins out of 10. Once you get your win rate, and you know, even if it's an A plus setup and that trade goes against you, the next one you're going to make it all back again. So that's why you need your win rate as well. But if you're trading just your A plus trades and you've only had 2 red days, you shouldn't be worried about it. But the 2 red days you have, are you over leveraging, oversizing, and just about to blow your accounts? That's when you're gonna have a problem, and then you question, can I do this or can I not? GeoICT, bro, can I have 1 red week and 3 green weeks? That doesn't mean your strategy is wrong. No, bro, you can have 2 fucking red weeks and 2 green weeks, and sometimes your strategy doesn't fucking come. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, just say you place 8 trades in a month, just 8 in the whole 20 trading days. Just say you traded 8 trades, 1 trade a day, and that was just 8 days of trading in the whole 20 days. And then the rest of the month your trades didn't come, or you had small losers, you'd still be profitable. And let me show you how. My trading is now started to turn into like lessons. It used to be just pure trading, but now it's like teaching. Bro, look, imagine you risk $250. That's your risk. So you say, okay, I could lose $250, but your reward is 3 times 250. So that's a 1 to 3. Yeah, so you can have 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, but you go for 1 to 3s. Yeah, that's $750 in one trade. You raise £250 to make £750, or $250 to make $750. Yeah, you got 750, but you times that now by 8 trades, and that's just 8 days. Or you can have 2 trades in a day, but just say you did 8 trades in the whole month. Yeah, you done 8 trades in the whole month, times that, so 700. Let me just do that 1 second. 750 times 8 trading days, and you got 8 winners in that month. Yeah, you've made $6,000. And then your risk is always 250, say. Yeah, so your risk is $250. So just say you had $6,000, and then for the rest of the 7-8 days you lost $250. So imagine you lost $250 one day, and then you lost $250 another day, and then you lost $250 another day, you lost $250 another day, you lost $250 another day, you lost $500 because you oversized another day, and then you lost $250 another day, you lost $250 another. Look how many losers you've had, and you only had 8 winners. You still ended up with $3,750. So it's trading, and everything has to do with risk management. Yeah, and now let me just show you one thing. Yeah, so just say you made that $750 on the one day, and you were copy trading it against 5 other accounts. Yeah, so in that one day you've made $3,750 just in one day. Yeah, then you traded 8 days. So in 8 days, that was 30 grand, $30,000. And you can put whatever losers in there you want. How much profit you're going to come out with? You're still going to come out with fucking ridiculous amount of profit. Roger Faris, sorry, fat finger earlier. What's the name of the ICT YouTuber you were talking about earlier? I just joined the live and didn't catch it. Oh yeah, her name is Lumi Trades. She sits on there forever, but she does give a lot of information out, and she is very good. So if someone's very good, I'm not gonna gatekeep. I'm gonna show you guys. I'll put the link up again so you can actually get it as well. 1 second. There's a lot of shit on our website. Sorry, thank you very much for following. Block Boy, thank you very much for following. Look, it's free as well at the end of the day. So if there's something free and someone's giving you something free and showing you the ropes for free, then why not take the free advice? You get me? Instead of paying that mentor out there. Got to go. Have a good one. GeoICT, have a great one, man. Is this one? I'll send it. I'll put it in the YouTube chat. 1 second. Let me know if you get this, Roger Faris. Yeah, it should something should have come through on there. I see it, thanks. Yeah, no problem. So if you go onto like the main page of it, the screen looks like this. The screen will look like that. So at the top, you just click on learn, and then you have guides, glossary, trading streams, ICT videos, ICT book, ICT whatever, but you just click on the ICT videos, and then everything's all in order there. But that's for ICT traders who want to learn ICT. I'm not an ICT trader, but there's many people in the chat that always ask about ICT. And then you got Theodore, he's always mentioning TT Trades. He says that they use some of them concepts as well. So right, guys, let's go. Who's trading right now? Who we got here? Sir, we are only 15 here. Can you teach your strategy, please? Zanetti, I can't just teach you my strategy. I can tell you my strategy. What's your best strategy for beginners? Jason B. Jason B, the best thing for beginners is just to go out and get education. It's not about strategy. First, you need the education. Figure out what all of this is about. Then you can end up getting a strategy. Because a strategy, I can just tell you right now, higher time frame analysis. Mark out your points of interest. Drop down to the lower time frames. Find your execution or your entry on the 5 minute, 3 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute. That's exactly what I do. But how do you find that strategy? How do you find your confluences? That's where you got to go out and get your education and figure out what trading's about, and then it will all click, man. It all clicks. So now let me just log out and log in. Why is this shit down here saying USD JPY? Jason B, I've had some education on it, but any advice where to get more? Bro, YouTube is the place, man. How much have you learned? How long have you been learning? How much have you learned? Sila Babila, good morning, brother. Good morning, man. How you doing? Jason, how long have you been trading, and how much have you learned, and what have you learned so far? What style of trading are you looking at? Are you a scalper, day trader, intraday trader? What do you do? Let us know, and then we could give you some information. I had some education on it, but any advice where to get more? Okay. Yeah, let us know, man. Guys, the numbers are low today. Numbers are low. 19 people follow it. I think because the markets are very choppy and shit. All you're needing 2024 day trader from Germany. Wow, nice to meet you. We have many people here every single day from all over the world. But I've not had anybody from Germany yet. We might have, but they've never spoken up. But yeah, nice to meet you. Make sure you hit the follow button so you trade with us live every single day. London session and pre-New York session. Jason B, like 3 months. I have a good grasp on most of it. Thank you very much for following, Jason B. You have a good grasp. Thank you very much, Momin with Amy. Thank you very much for following. Jason, I'm going to be honest with you. 3 months is very, very early into trading, you know. Some people do start understanding it and figuring it out. But the psychology and everything of when you're entering, executing trades, how you handle yourself, that's a whole different story. 3 months. I've had good grasp of most of it. Just need analysis. I struggle with... you struggle with it. I'm a day trader. Okay. So how long do you sit on the charts? Do you like just... Do you just analyze? How long do you sit on the charts? Are you there all day? Have you got a full-time job, or are you free at the moment? Do you only sit on the charts for like a couple of hours, or you're only on it for like half an hour? How long? Boom, snapped 700 off that. John Alian, you sniping too much money, man. Jason B, trader for futures. Okay. Harry Gregory, thank you very much, Pez, for following. Harry Gregory, what's your bias? Bro, I've not got a bias today. Should we have a look what the bias is and see where the things are? Let's clear the charts. Let's just hit this, clear the charts. Boom, remove 11 drawings. Let's remove this, that's confusing people. Let's go on to the 1 hour time frame. So we've had a massive push down last week Friday, retracement, and a push down Monday. Retracement, pushing down, not being able to break structure to the downside completely, but we've had some sort of push down. So yeah, it broke structure by break the candle, but it didn't break the wick. So this could have been liquidity sweepers also. I don't know, price came down, pushed right back up again. So we are right now not breaking no structures to the upside. 1 second, let's just drop down time frames. Push down again, retracement, push down again, same thing again, we pushed up. This is the leg that we're going to look at. Price came into a 50% area, couldn't break structure to the downside in the Asian session, and it kept pumping up, and now we're consolidating. So we're just consolidating. Now let's have a look at what the economic calendar is doing. We need to figure out what may happen. Okay, let's go. We got red folder news in 16 minutes. So guys, 1:30, you got a red folder news event. I'm not allowed to trade red folder news events with my prop firm. I don't know if you are, or if you're in challenge phase, you might be able to. Ahmed with the uncle. Get out of here. Get out of here, bro. But nice to meet you, man. How you doing? You trading today? So, yeah. So price is just chopping around, and we got PPI right now. So we're going to wait. We're going to wait for price to tell us something. Because we might just have another retracement down and price push up. Or price might just be consolidating in this area and then just continue dumping again. So we have to wait for the news event. So I'm not taking no trades, guys. I'm waiting, and I've not got a bias because I will go any way the market goes. If the market's telling me go up, I'll go up. If the market's telling me to go down, I'll go down, because I follow market structure only and not just the daily bias. I work from home, so I have them on probably like 3 hours after my equities open. Okay, Jason. John Elian, we are right on the resistance line right now. Yeah, man, tell me about it. Ahmed, yeah, caught some NQ longs this morning. Well done, lad. Miss Eddie, what prop firm? I'm on Take Profit Trader at the moment, Miss Eddie. What prop firm do you use? I'm in love with Take Profit Trader. The only problem is with take profit trader, once you pass the challenge, you have to do the buffer, and to create the buffer you have to be an intraday trailing drawdown. So you need to pass the intraday trailing drawdown quick or nicely, because if price goes against you, you start going into drawdown straight away, even if it goes up. And then if it goes out a little bit, you're in drawdown. So once you get past that, it's daily payouts. 20-80 profit split. So they get 20%, you get 80%. That's the profit split. But it's daily payouts and it's absolutely fucking amazing. I love it. Harry Gregory, I've been in evolution for 3 weeks. Oh, sorry, I've been in an evaluation for 3 weeks. Evolution. I've been in an evaluation for 3 weeks and only at 200 profit till I just fall for 3 trades in. Harry Gregory, tell me, what prop firm are you with? That's absolutely funny, that is. Brother, it comes to a point where you just think, fuck, I've been on this shit too long. I just want to get payouts now. What is the mean, sir? 2100 buffer. Buffer means you have to, just say you've got a challenge and you pass the challenge and your profit target was $3,000 to pass. You've hit your $3,000. You're now on a funded account and they said, okay, you passed your challenge, you got your certificate, you're now on a funded account. Sometimes, not always, but sometimes they say you need to create a buffer before you can start getting payouts. So a buffer is like anything around about $2,000 or $1,500, depending on what challenge you've chosen and what prop firm. So you have to make an extra $2,000 or whatever amount for the buffer to clear, and then anything above the buffer you could take your payout. So that's why a lot of people don't like buffers. So sometimes some prop firms, they just say once you've passed, you don't need to make a buffer. Thank you very much for following. You don't need to make a buffer. Well, all you need to do is make $250 a day for 5 days before you can take a payout and stuff like that. So yeah, it just depends what prop firm and what you're doing, man. I'm in Tradify. I go 1,000 up, then lose 3 trades in a row, then the same again. That means, brother, just go for your AAA motherfucking plus trades, man. Don't go for anything else. Don't take a trade, because I'd rather miss a day of trading than be in a bigger drawdown and just lose all my profits. So if your A plus setup doesn't come in the day, just don't take a trade. At least if today you don't take the trade, you're not in drawdown. But then if you come back tomorrow, you're fucking minus $300-400 or $500 or whatever, then it's annoying, isn't it? But yeah, sometimes just figure out your setup and what you're trading. Too much sauce in this chat room, man. Too much free information, free sauce, motherfuckers. Free ketchup in here. All right, let me go back onto this now, because I'm looking at the fucking 30-minute time frame and the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame and not figuring out what the fuck is going on. Okay, motherfuckers. Okay, let's see. So yeah, let's go back to the 30 because we want the 30. Let's close that now because we know what was going on there. Let's open a new one. Now from the swing low to the swing high, it didn't come into the 50% area, so that wasn't a nice area. Again and again. Yeah, but on the downside, from the swing, the downside from the swing to the swing low, which couldn't break structure to the downside, by the way. So let's have a look what that's doing. Okay, so that's on the 30-minute. Let's go down to the 15-minute time frame. So I just use that as a guideline, guys, remember. So this is a danger zone here. Remember, I mark out danger zones and everyone fucking make some money from these areas. So yeah, that's a danger zone on the 15-minute time frame. I would have expected like price to like, because this is on the 15-minute time frame, This is what I was expecting for it to do, but it didn't actually do what I wanted it to do. So I wanted it to go there, go slightly lower, maybe it reacted from there, but maybe slightly lower, and then go like that, and then break structure to the upside. That's what I was looking at, that's what I wanted, but price never actually moved the way I wanted it to move. So that's the reason I'm not in my trade. Miss Eddie, okay, what's the name again? Let me go research the prop firm. Take Profit Trader, TPT. Lucid is good. Lucid is good. I like Lucid. I've traded with Lucid before. I blew my accounts on Lucid because I wanted to pass in one day, but Lucid was good, and I would love to use Lucid again, and I am going to in the future once I make a few more payouts from this Take Profit Trader, because I want at least 5 accounts with Lucid. Knew it. Another 300. Jonah Leon, killing it, killing it. Are you trading from this resistance zone and taking sells? Is that what you were doing, my brother? Oh, your price came into this area. Here's the look. This is what happens. Look, the news event is not even happened yet. The news event is actually in fucking Jonah Lian. You shorted from that resistance area, so you should have fucking had your fucking stop loss massive, bruv, because this is fucking shit up. So quickly drop us a message and tell us what the fuck is going on right now, Jonah Lian. What pairs are you trading, my guy? My guy Tom's, I'm trading Nasdaq. Nasdaq only, my brother. Go back onto the 15-minute and let's see what happened. This possibly might be a deeper retracement now, and then there's going to be buys. Let's have a look what may happen, what can happen. That to that to that was a deep retracement. That to that was a 10. That to that. Okay, then that became below 50. Okay, so if you read it different, it was below 50. That tapped into 50. Oh, okay. Reckon price might keep dumping, we don't know. But if it does, Jonah Lian, you're in the right fucking area, mate. Have you came out of your trade, or are you still in your trade? Madman saying we full pointing, right? No way. No way. My days for full pointing are over, man. Over. Johnny, if I had it that low, I would be up probably 2K. Yes, you would have been. You would have been up 2K. But this is why I don't trade these red folder news events or anywhere around these times, because shit like this fucking tends to happen. Wow, some stop loss got blown. Yeah, trust me, Sila Babila. Some people got really fucking jacked up right now. All the people that thought they were going to be going long from here just got absolutely annihilated. So everyone got stopped out. So whoever had their stops on below these areas, well, buy limits, they were looking to buy from these shorted areas. But yeah, everyone got stopped out. Lian, I hit take profit long over, but not messing no more about with before news is over. Yeah, man, trust me, just don't do it. See the boy, lucky I was eating and didn't trade. Yeah, man, trust me. I know. News didn't drop yet, right? News didn't drop yet. That's the whole thing. They manipulate the markets. They're just fucking people up, innit? So this is why around news events or big days, if price is choppy as shit, unless you're not confident, you don't trade. The news is in literally 5 minutes, guys. Uncle, what's happening here? I don't know, man. The fucking markets are being bastards, innit? That's the only fucking answer the uncle would give you. That's why you always have a stop loss or close in case shit like this happens. Yes, Jonalian, you do. That is exactly why you have to have a stop loss. You do know sometimes stop losses on some brokers and some prop firms, if news events hit, some stop losses don't get respected as well. You know that? It just goes flying past and just blows their account out completely. Yeah, crazy, man. It is crazy. Let's see what news does. Just looks like it may not be a day for me today. La 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 la. Oh man, that happened to me once back in the day. Trust me, it's fucking annoying, bro. Bay I Hitam 15. Assalamu alaikum, brother. I'm not Muslim, but I know exactly what you're saying, but I don't know if I'm Assalamu alaikum, brother. That's how you say it. I get it. I tell you, I know how to say it. But yeah, Harry Gregory, I'm gonna full port news. Been in this eval too long. Harry Gregory, do whatever you want, man. I can't give you financial advice, man. It's the right way. Yay! Haha! I knew it, brother. I knew it. I had a lot of Muslim friends growing up. When I used to go to primary school, I used to have a few Muslim friends on that. It was so funny, yeah. I was at school one time, yeah. I used to go to school in primary school. Ahmed was like, uncle, I thought you're Muslim. No way. Now I'm going to have to block and delete you. Yeah, but this is why I don't talk about religion. This is why I don't talk about religion online and what I am and stuff. Because what's the fucking point? Innit? Everyone's just one. Everyone's equal. Everyone's trying to make some peas, make some paper. So if I can help someone and give free advice, I'll fucking help everyone. I don't give a shit. That's it, man. Yuria World, thank you very much for following. Price is chopping around and we got news in literally 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yeah, we got 40 people in the house. Wow, 40 people in the house, in the building. True, my bro. It's true, man. It's true. Good morning, Danny. Wasim Bills. Good morning. Oh, Wasim Bills, man. Nice to see you every single day. Turning up. Wicked, bro. Knicks versus Spurs last night. No, I didn't. I don't really follow it too much, but my cousins all follow it. They love it. It was crazy. Where are you from, bro? Because are you from the US? Is that why you like a bit of basketball? Where are you from? Ahmed, full port sells. Tell me about it. No, I don't full port anything anymore. Look, here it is. This is the news fucking handle. How fucking bullshit was that? Look what this did. And look how this one just opened up and just chopping around. Yeah, I don't think it might be. Yeah, lol. Yeah, it's not gonna be I don't think it's gonna be a trading day for me today. See, like, I'm $687 up on my 25k account. I need to make sure I don't make a stupid trade, because then I can take some money out of the markets. Crypto TikToks. Hey, Crypto TikToks, I joined you yesterday on your live. Are you gonna go back on live again tonight? Ahmed, every day is a trading day, uncle. Yes, that's right. Every day is a trading day. But for me, it's if I catch my A+ setup and how long I want to sit on the charts. So I don't sit there all day, every day, just watching. I'll give it a couple of hours. If I like it, I like it. If I like the way the market's moving, then I'll wait for an entry, then take an entry. If not, then yeah, not every day is a trading day for me, no. Yeah, Crypto TikToks, are you going to be live today? Yes, I'm from the UK, brother. Hey, thanks, mate. Nah, I'm on a flight back to Sweden now. Rob, our macro expert, will stream in my place this week. Oh, okay. So someone else is streaming for you. Definitely worth a watch. I'll definitely go on. I'll get a notification every time you go on live anyway. So I try and join for a few minutes here and there. And then if I can stay longer and it's interesting, I'll just stay longer. Feel bad vibes today. Seems like a rent day. Thank you very much, Baytam. Yeah, you shouldn't get bad vibes from the market, man. You should just wait, hold out, and see if it, and then see what the market plays out like. If it starts moving, the way you like, then you just hold tight. And then if it's not moving the way you like, you just don't enter the trade. So yeah, never think of it as in, oh, it's bad vibe, because then that will automatically put you in a mentality and a place where you think, oh, you're gonna end up just entering a trade for no reason and forcing a trade, or losing money in the markets. Just think of it, okay, if it moves well, I'll take an entry. If it doesn't move how I like it, then yeah, we leave it. He's like some kind of macro freak. Ask him an impossible question, he'll explain it for 40 minutes in detail. Yeah, I will. I'll go on and I'll ask him a question today. And do you know what? I don't know about macro trading, and we do have a few macro traders that come on my live a lot of the time during the 8:30 a.m. session. So yeah, I will ask him a question on macros and macro trading and the strategy around macro trading. No joke, bro. He wrote the entire macro book we're doing. Oh my god. Yeah, he must be a macro freak. Yeah, guys, remember, now that we've got quite a lot of us here right now, remember 8:30 a.m. GMT London session, Monday to Friday. I'm on for hour and a half in the mornings London session, and then 12 p.m. GMT pre-New York session. So that's 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. I'm on pre-New York session, and then that's me in and out of the markets in the day. And then whoever wants to carry on trading in the New York session, they carry on. And then if I want to trade New York session, I do that on my ones. Adam, just an observation for you. Just look at price action when price takes Asia high. Look at what happens after. Yes, that'll be a nice observation. We can see what happens when price takes the Asian high. Are you looking at take the Asian high or the Asian low? I'm only trader here. I'm only trader in here. Okay. I don't like wicks like that. Previous days, are you saying? Okay, 1 second. Wait a minute. Previous day Asian high was taken here. But yours says XAU, so you might be looking at gold. I'm on Nasdaq, brother. The 8 a.m. candle tends to reverse in London, but not every day. Okay, LPT. Ahmed, chill out. You're not the only trader here. Ahmed's like, motherfucker, I'm a trader too. 5 days maybe out of XAU reversal most days in ruler. Yeah, but you just said to me that it's going to take the Asian lows previous day, but the Asian lows and highs have already been swept for the previous day here. This whole area has been swept. So like from there, that's the high and low of previous day, and these candles took it out. I'm not quite sure what you're getting at, bro. Adam XAU, no, I'm saying look at what happens when it takes a high. Oh, okay, you look, okay, that's fine. Yeah, I'll wait. LPT Tuesday, the candle is a good example. Okay, Adam XAU, as a reversal happens after it takes place. The reversal happens after it takes place in the highs. I don't, same today. Okay, will be continuation of all day. I'll keep that in mind, Adam. I'll definitely keep it in mind. I'm always open to learning, so I can add that to my brain, little brain here that absorbs very little information, but small information. Adam XAU will be continuation all day. Sila Babila, we are planning a reversal after sweep of London low here. You seem like a humble. I am, bro. I'm humble. I'm open to listen to everybody, man. Like, well, just because I'm on live and you can see my face and I'm talking doesn't mean I know exactly which way the market's gonna fucking go. I just trade my game plan in it, like my A+ setup. I won't trade anything else but my A+ setup. But everybody in the chat has an opinion. It may not be right, it may be right, but everyone has the right to message and chat and talk. I wish you all the best. I wish you the best too, bro. Crypto talk. Alright, bro. I gotta keep working on the book. Enjoy the live. Yes, bro. You enjoy yourself as well writing that book. See you later. Bimbo, what we looking at here? I'm looking at some bullish shit going on right about here. We've had the news event. Don't know what's going on at the moment. Prices just slowed down again. Slow down. A lot of people were waiting for a price to come into this area and sell off, but I'm looking for price to keep pushing and show me something different. I really didn't want price to sell off here right now because that won't be part of my game plan. Tila Babilo, we're all here to chat and chill. Yes, man, it's just a little community in it where trading gets boring. Everyone can chat. There's a space. The Discord will be up soon, and Leroy's gonna swear at me because he'll say, "You bastard, you've been talking about that fucking Discord for 2 months now." I'll have the Discord up and running. Listen, guys, listen. Tomorrow, 110% tomorrow, my Discord will be up again, okay? I'll make sure all you guys can join the Discord for free. We don't charge here. It's all free information. Yeah, I pick up smaller micro contracts for a long 200 so far. Jonah Lian, well done, my brother. Jason B, what are you trading? Nasdaq, Jason B. Nas tapped into a FPG from Asian high, which is the 50% discount. Let's have a look, Ahmed. Who respects it will go up. Talking about this area here. Yeah. That's what I was looking at. I was looking at this is gone 50, this is gone 50, this is gone 50. So the only 50 area, well, below 50, well, not even 50. Well, the only next thing in a discounted area was this. But price tapped that 50% area and then continue pushing up. But now price has came in right in to the 78.6, and that's a pure discount. So that's what I'm thinking, like, is price going to continue pushing up? That's what I was looking at. But this area here, it's not fucking nice. And the way the candles have shifted and moved, momentum's slow, it's not volume. So yeah, I just sit out and wait when trades like that happen. But Ahmed, I see where you're coming from, and I liked that. I like what you saw and you explained just then. That's exactly the way I trade. But it's hard for me to explain to people all the time, like every single day explain the same thing. It gets a bit annoying as well. Respecting midnight open right now. is that specialist. Let's specialist. Let's see, brother. Hey, we got it says Jason B. I thought it said Jazzy B then. I thought Jazzy B. Start trading. Stop singing. It's just this area here is annoying me. Babila, I've learned to see movement plus volume now for a setup. Socialist. Social fast or socialist. Let's see what happens, brother. That was a lot better, that move up, but I don't like the candle movement. Came below midnight, then rejected it strongly. Okay. I need to get in touch with all the prop firms right now. All the prop firms, and I need to say to them to give me a discount code for every single prop firm, so everybody here that's buying fucking prop firm challenges don't pay full price and can get at least up to about 10 or 20% off or more. That would be nice. Jonah Leon, well done, my man. Good, you done good. You done very good. 2k today. That's a lot of money, bro. 2k, man. Is that 2k on just one account, or is that 2k copy trading? Apex will give you 90% discount. Yes, I know that. Yes, wicked, man. Even if they give the 90% code, that's good, but it's always that fucking activation fee which gets annoying. But then again, Apex is very cheap. Even if you have to pay for an activation fee, it doesn't really fucking matter, does it? Because the discount code they gave you on the actual challenge itself was fucking ridiculous. You can get these challenges for about $20-30, man. What time frame you on, Fimbo? I'm on the 1 minute time frame, and is that 1 second. Javancy followed. Thank you very much, Javancy. Thank you very much for following. So you're £75 all in, £100. Yeah, it's a lot. Yeah, ain't too bad at all, man. It's fucking wicked. Just not liking price action right now. Price action is tight. Yikes. So let's have a look. Apex trading. La 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 la. See, look, if price pushed up here, broke structure there, then came down nicely into a nice area, then I would have started looking for buys. But is it just gonna take liquidity a little bit from here and then just continue just dumping? Like, that's why I've not taken an entry, because this is possible chance, very, very possible that it might just keep going down. That's why I like clean entries. I don't like messy entries, because messy entries, then you end up sitting on the trade for a lot longer than you should, whilst price is just fucking chopping around being a dickhead. So products. Yeah, look, so if you want intraday trading one, it's very fucking cheap, but intraday trading is very hard for some people. So if you're not experienced trader, you shouldn't be using intraday trading drawdown, because as soon as price moves up a little bit and then goes against you slightly, that's already putting you in drawdown. So guys, that's where a lot of people get stuck. So if you're not an experienced trader, you shouldn't be choosing intraday trading drawdown on any prop firm. You should be just doing the end of day trading drawdowns. Just one account trading on 50k right now, but I have another 25k funded waiting for me. Oh, wicked, man. Soon, journally, and you'll be copy trading and making money on all the accounts. Rye, what's good, Danny? Rye, I'm good. Thank you very much, brother. How are you doing, Rye? Julian, did you see the Trump social post? No, I've not looked at Trump's social post, no. You know, this is what I don't like. It looked like price is just going to react here, go up, but it started chopping here. So this is the type of price action I just avoid. I don't like price action. I like clean price action and then a clean retracement and then clean. When it's chopping, whatever it's doing, I won't go in the trade. What copy trading platform do you use? I use what's it called again? TradeSync. TradeSync is the one I use. But if I'm just gonna, if I just say I go on to Top Step or Alpha Futures, they got Alpha Trader now, and I'm only gonna be trading 5 accounts on just say Top Step or Alpha Futures or something like that. Then I'll just use their platform and their trading platform like Project X or something like that, or Alpha Trader's got their own called Alpha Trader now. I'd end up using that. But if I'm not and I want to trade 5 on Take Profit Trader, I want to trade 5 on Alpha Futures, and I want to trade 5 on fucking Lucid or something like that, then you could just put them all into one place on TradeSync, and it works fucking absolutely beautiful. You got to understand how it works a little bit, figure it out a little bit, but then once you got it, beautiful, man, beautiful. And some days you just got to make sure all your accounts are connected. Enable the accounts. Over the weekend they kind of drop off, or overnight they kind of drop off. So just keep making sure your accounts are enabled every single day, and you're good to copy trade. Pretty mental post of him saying he will take over the whole country tonight. He's a dickhead, innit? Like, he's gonna fucking make more money. He's got some advanced hedge funders and some smart money people with him, man, that he's just gonna be making mental money. The institutions, banks, everyone will just fucking back him. Pretty mental posts of him. Yeah. Top Step have a copy trade option. Yes, they do. Top Step, you can trade 5 accounts and then you could just use their account called Project X. Yeah. So anyway, Apex Trader here, just say you got end of day trading drawdown and you want standard or no activation fee. So if you have no activation fee, it's $89. If you want standard, which pays for the activation fee, one-time fee, rebill evaluation, activation 30 days. Yeah. Don't tell me that's with it. Let's have a look. Max drawdown 1000, drawdown type, end of day. Then you've got a very less daily loss limit, because look, your daily loss limit will be only $500. That's on a 25k account. So on a 50k, your daily loss would be $1,000. But then it's only still $45. Will expire after 30 days, no resets. Oh, so you can have it with or without an activation fee. 25k. Yeah, I just don't like. I like a bigger drawdown. The only thing about Apex pisses me off is just the drawdowns. Yeah. Some of them you have to read it properly. Some of them the drawdown activations included. So, but you have to select the option. But if it's intraday trading drawdown, obviously it's going to be cheaper because it's fucking harder. So you just have to be very careful. Don't like this chop. I don't like chop markets. I like nice clean markets, and he's doing some choppy bullshit that we don't like. So even Top Step do it. Like, so if you look at let me just load up Top Step. One moment. look, they've got another offer on of something as well. Let's have a look at what they're doing. Double your payout caps. For a limited time, traders who add a daily loss limit can unlock double payout caps across every trading combine account size on your new purchases. You go start a combine. Top set our daily loss limit account, 50k with no activation fee for £63 and $89-ish, which is 1k drawdown. Works out $10 cheaper, but you get double payouts at the moment. Yes, it's hosted. Yes, 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 Rogue. Yes, yes. Goated. So no activation fee. There you go. Look, 50k, $95. Get 5 of those motherfuckers. You'll be all right. Profit target 3,000. Max position size 5. 5 minis, 50 micros. Max loss limit $2,000. Express funded activation 0. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Yeah, I like that. I might have to get some of them. To be fair, I always like the Top Step Project X. Project X, Top Step is one of the first few prop firms I started trading with. No, Top One Futures was Top One Futures. I think they had Project X as well. I can't really remember. Hey, you, thank you very much for following. We've got 45 of us in the house right now. Wow.